It's always the little things that matter, so. I think it'll be fine.
That's gonna be perfect.
That's exactly what I, yes.
I mean, look at that. And look at that, look at that.
Mm-hmm. That is exactly
but
what
the main thing is once we get all this oxidation off and clean it, I mean, that's gonna be perfect. Like I said, it was kind of expensive, but not really. It was almost 24 bucks. So that's not that bad considering it's almost perfect. There might be 3157 because this is a dual contact. These should work for this one. Go twist your or turn your backup light on.
Okay.
Or not your backup, your bed light, I mean. Alright. There you go. You got a screwdriver?
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, it's still classic looking, but it's kind of touchy like the modern light, you know, just what modern lights is looking at. These here are plastic, and if you can, do them by hand, because these are self-threading shirts.
That takes the wood grain off. Clean that off too.
Save these two for last. But we're going to take this, hose it off, clean it up, and we're going to grab a can of this today.
There.
Clean it up with some soap and water. Man, baby, look at that. Looks like a brand new part. I think it's spot on.
I do too. Wow. You stand back, it really looks amazing. Mm-hmm.
Think it's pretty good.
That's gonna be awesome.
See, this truck being a base model, plain Jane, it didn't have that in there. Well, this is newer model too, but the it didn't have the inserts in it. Well, I mean, I have to order some handles.
Built?
I really like, especially in here, how well that cleaned up.
Mm-hmm.
You know, where it looks like it's stitched. Alright, I'm gonna some of the dry. Harden up.
The power window isn't working, so he's working to fix it.
phone, I'll send her a picture.
Wait, M.A.?
Yep.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay, well, I'm gonna phone.
I'm not done yet.
Today, I'm gonna get the passenger side door panel off and start getting it cleaned up so that we can make it look as beautiful as this one. It's pretty dirty. The other one cleaned up so nice though. Look at the difference. Pretty big difference. This is really fragile, and I was told to guard that thing with my life, so that is what I will be doing. Secret that I'm finding, like Jason said, is to like twist it rather than pulling. It's like the side does never come off. That's the secret sauce you need too. I'm just bending the two tabs that are holding this. This has to come out. I'm kind of scared to force it. I don't want it to break. I know it's some. As you guys can see, our panel is done on the passenger side. And then when you look over here, we've got some work to do. The window for this, all the mechanisms in that and all the fun stuff has to be redone. Right here, it's messed it up. So I just really want to mention that we know that we're not professionals. We're just having fun. We're getting to work on our project truck and trucks because we have a couple. And we want to bring you guys along for the ride. So please don't take this too seriously. We just want to have fun. We want to record our memories and the adventures that we get to go on and bring you guys along for the ride. If you guys get some enjoyment from it, learn something, maybe if you have a better way of doing it, let us know. But we're really glad that you guys joined us. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment if you have anything that you want to add or say. Or we're gonna keep going. We've got lots more to do to this fun project, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along for the ride.